Okay, Phil here, Got Memories. I have a job that is going to be potentially problematic. Oh no, that's not a good sign. Immediately a broken piece of plastic housing. Let's see. Those look okay. Let's see. More broken housing. Okay, let's see. This is, hopefully I can unzip this. One-handed. Okay, drum roll. Oh boy. All right. There's more mold on there. Mold. Oops. That's even that tiny little bit of tape there, mold. And all of these tapes would be pointless sending off to pretty much anyone because they're going to reject them. One of these, especially the big shitbox companies, 800 numbers, anything with a Facebook ad, run a mile. And let's see here with these, undo these. Let's see what wonderful. Let's see, that's screwed. That's, oh my God, that's all. Boy, oh boy, I have my work cut out for me here with this particular. Oh my life. Look at this. Wow. That's that. Hold on, I'll find out. Oh boy, good Lord. Look at this one. Oh, yeah. Wow. But I have been doing his work on other previous tapes. That one's not as bad. And I've managed to recover all of them, believe it or not. So that one's not too bad. This one here, not as bad, but you never know. You just don't know what kind of Pandora's box you're opening up here. Because, as I always say, you know, even when you've cleaned them, and they still, you know, you still got to try and transfer them. It's not game over once they're clean. It is, you still got 2 to 4 hours of footage you have to make sure is going to be successfully transferred. Where's that really bad one here? It's got no writing on it, so yeah. All right, this is kind of an overview here. So look, that one's the worst. This one, yeah, those two right there. Look at that. Boom. Well, stay tuned for me trying to restore these things.